Welcome to my wealth space, and thank you for joining me today. Again, we continue with bringing the opportunities that we surely think it brings value to us, so that we can kind of make decisions and kind of position ourselves to take a good position in any area of companies that we have chosen. This is a channel where we try to build our generational wealth for ourselves and also for our next generation. If this is something that you think is worthy, I will invite you to subscribe to the channel and for you to share this video and comment on this video. Nobody knows it all. We just try, to help one another in order for us to be financially free, to build this wealth for ourselves. Today, as we continue, I'm bringing Nvidia to us. Nvidia is a AI company, and recently, Nvidia has been doing amazingly well. It's been leading the tech sector. It's amazing how a company can go from 700 billion into over $3 trillion. As a matter of fact, this past week, it seems I'm not quite sure about that, but it seems it has passed Microsoft. They both dragging it. It passed it. They come back again. It passed it. 3.11 trillion dollars. $3.11 trillion. Why Microsoft is 3.4, 3.3, 3. Somewhere around there. So Nvidia has done very, very well. It has made a lot of millionaires, a lot of rich people, a lot of big people, wealthy. But of course, a company like Nvidia, for you to really, gain so much from it, you have to also put so much in it, and that is where the challenge came from. That's our challenge right there. That how much do we now have to put in there for us to be able to be rich from that? We can be rich now. Don't get me wrong. We can be rich. I'm just talking about what it takes, what it's going to take us to invest in it. But hey, every grain is a plus to us. If it's $1, it's fine. It's a plus to us. So we can continue to invest in it and continue to make profit in it, because it 3.3 over $3 trillion company is not going anywhere very soon at all. They are here to stay. If they can get that much evaluation, so that much cash flow, so they are here to stay. So we can invest in Nvidia, continue to invest in there. Don't look at how much is gonna I might have to invest. Just invest comfortably on any amount that you can invest in it. Even though right now they just have a price split. So many it was 1 to 10 split now in the price target. So it was once sometime this week, earlier this week, it was 1,200 and something dollars for one share of Nvidia, and after the split, divided by 10, whatever you numbers or you have divided by 10, so it brings the price down, so that it's be easy for us to kind of invest in it. But that's just psychology, though. It doesn't change the price. It doesn't change the evaluation. It doesn't change anything. It's just something psychologically to make us think, well, it's cheaper now. But it's cheaper, but it's not. It doesn't change anything from where it was. So it's now let me just show us what I'm talking about. Nvidia. Let's just look at today. Okay, let's look at today. It's 126 now. Like I've said, they have a price split on Nvidia. So this stock some couple of days ago used to be 1,200 and something, but now they split it down by 10. So now it's just so that means if you have one share of Nvidia couple of days ago, now you have 10. They split it. So look at what it is. Look at what it's today. Of course, it went down 3.22%. This is the first day in couples of trading day that it actually went down. That it's always up, and it's been running. And if you look at it for 5 days, it's 2%. Then if you look at in the last 1 month, it has gone up 32%. 32% in the last 1 month. What about six months? 158%. What about a year? It's gone up 162. So you can see that Nvidia just last 1 year, it has gone up almost 200%, 194% in the last 1 year. So you see how the trend, how the Nvidia has been performing. Just it kept going up and up and up and up. It just kept going. And now, is it going to ever have a stop sometime? What is it? This look at it now. This is the last 5 years. You see how the trend has been going up. So if you look at Nvidia, it's had been going up. It's an opportunity, company for us also, for us to be able to invest in it. At least it is stable and it's making money at now, even though things seems to be really tight for a lot of companies. A lot of sectors are kind of down or struggling, but Nvidia has been the big power that's pulling the S&P 500 up. It's pulling it up now, and is every one of them is looking at Nvidia. Even the AMD, the Oracle, they're all lagging behind Nvidia. Nvidia just seems to have done something right, and they have gotten it right. So, for us to be able to at least to balance our portfolio, and for us to make money, and for us to have a peace of mind that, we invested in a blue chip company that we know is going to be there. It's not going to have, problem with $3.1 trillion. That's a lot. That's more than a whole country, a whole lot of country. It's more than maybe 90%, 95% of the whole country budget. So just one company. So they are here to stay. I believe, as time goes on, they will still, even go higher. But the thing now is, what do you think? Do we think it's going to continue just to go up and up and up and up? When does it have a pullback? Is there any pullback in the horizon? Is there any pullback? Is it going to pull back? So now, because it has gone up so much, I will want to kind of, gradually, decelerate a little bit, or wait to, or set a price target, that when it comes down, then we can, kind of buy it a little bit. Let me just show us what I'm saying. So, look at this, as it goes up this high, and now, I mean, there is possibility that at a certain point, look at it. As in the beginning, if you look at it, Nvidia was 22, 23 cent. Look at 33 cent, right? It was 33 cent, even 17 cent, even 60 cent. 17 cent. Okay, that's Nvidia. And this is Nvidia now that is over $3 trillion company. So from 25, 17, 90 cent, 10 cents. Look at that. December 31st, 1999 was 10 cents to this, to what it is today, which is 126. So this is what I'm saying when we're talking about building generational wealth. I mean, this is Nvidia. This is a company that started with 10 cents, 10 cents per share. From 10 cents per share into 130, 126, 134, $133 per share. So, if you have bought that at that time and it let it grow till now, you'll be, even on the dividend alone, you will be fine. You will be, or you should be fine. Let me say that you should be fine, depending on how much money that you might need to live. Maybe you need $2 million per month to live. I don't know. I'm just saying. So that is how you build wealth, and that is why we are looking at those sectors that are just coming out. Because when Nvidia just came out, it was 10 cents. It was 17 cents. Now people invested in it, left it there, walk away, and now it has gone. Let me just show us. This is how it has gone up since the beginning of the company. It has gone up 316,325%. That is how far it has gone. So if you put $1 in there, if you put $1 in there, your $1 has given you 316,000. Over 360,000, just $1. $1 has given you over 316,000. And now that is what I call building generational wealth. And if you look at your portfolio right now, how many companies have you bought into that you just bought $1? How many? Not many. So now that we have three different sectors that is coming out as the new company, as a new sector, as a new, is the chances of you building that generational wealth is there. Even if you go with Tesla, or if you go, let's just say you go with the cheapest EV, that you do your research, that you think is being managed well. Look at that EV. Some of the EV is still 70 cents. Some of it is still $1. Some of it is still $5. Some of it is $10. Some of it is $14. But they all started from 10 cents, 20 cents. So that's why we are targeting those companies that are just springing up. And that is why we are looking at crypto, because we have an edge. Because not a whole lot of people understand it yet. Not a whole lot of people, are taking part in it yet. So because people don't have the connectivity yet to those companies. They don't have the connectivity yet. So on this channel, we try to, connect us to make us understand that the reason why all this thing is called, because it is still new. And if you look at every company on earth, when it first started, it probably started with 5 cents. And they become, trillions of dollars company. And that is why we're looking at those sectors of crypto, of electric vehicles, of cannabis, that they are still in 50 cents, in 17 cents, $1.50, because we know for a fact that in the next 50 years, it's not going to be that price anymore. It's just going to be like Microsoft, like Amazon, like Nvidia, like all those companies that started with. At one point, Bitcoin was 5 cents, and now it's $64,000. So I'm trying to make us kind of understand the strategy, and don't be discouraged because of you seeing all these things that are still not stable. It's not really going up yet. It's just going zigzag. It's an opportunity for us to even take more position, and that is all I'm saying. Let's just look at what the analysts are saying about Nvidia. Okay, so this is the tip rank. Okay, look at this Nvidia. Nvidia is a strong buy. It's a strong buy, and the price target in the last 12 months, they're talking about $200. They're talking about $200. It's a strong buy. 132 right now. 26. It went down today. Of course, it went down today. So it's 132. Is the price target price, but they expected it to be around $200 in the next 12 months, and as low as $90. As low, I want us to kind of look at this as low as $90. Now, that's why I was talking about, because it has run up so much, and I believe that it's going to come down, sometime. And when and how low can it go? Nobody really know. But the analysts are putting it out there to say there's possibility it might come down as low as 120, as low as even $90, as low as 94. If you look at what the tip rank said, the tip rank you said might be as low as $90. If you look at it right here, he said as low as $90. So nobody knows when, but I believe that because it has run so high, I believe at certain point in time it's going to come down at least a little bit. I mean, it's just a pullback. It's just how the market works. It goes up, goes up. It's like you pressing a spring. It's spring. You press it so low. That means when the price down, it goes up. And if you go up, or you pull up, you get to a point that it pull back down. And that is how the market works. And so I think I'm looking at, there's possibility when it comes down, you can set your price buy at certain amount. So when it comes down to that point, then automatically your order is put in. But I believe it is going to come down because it has run so far, too fast and too high and for too long. Okay, it has gone up too fast and too high and too long. So when that three things combine, there's high possibility that it's going to come down. And the law of gravity, everything that goes up, sometimes come down a little bit. In the stock market, it comes down a little bit. So this is all I'm just bringing to us. Let me just show us this again, that look at it, how it went from here and just shoot up, just like that. And the market cap is, of course, is 3.1 trillion dollars. And we can kind of wait a little bit and see if it's going to come down. And when it comes down, then we can go into it and position ourselves. But as we do that, I still don't want us to kind of lose focus on the other the sectors, the crypto, the EV, and the cannabis, because I believe one or two of those sectors of companies in those sectors will be like Nvidia. We have a similar story to Nvidia, to Microsoft, to Amazon, to all that started with a penny and they become $1,000 stock. This is my own opinion, and I just want you to kind of do your own research and just kind of study how market usually work, how what's been going on in there, and let us just take a decision and do something for ourselves. But so at the end of the day, we want to build generational wealth for ourselves and for our next generation. If this is your first time, like I've said, of watching one of our videos, I would like you to subscribe to this channel, and also I would like you to hit like, and I would like you to comment on this video. We are all trying, to have the same thing. We set the same goal of building generational wealth together, and let us empower ourselves as we continue in this endeavor. Thank you once again. Until I see you in the next video, I say have a wonderful day.